Yeah, here we have a DEWALT 12-inch compound miter saw. This is a DW715 Type 3. It's unused. It's in really good condition. I'm going to fire it up to show you that it does operate. It has a 32 tooth blade. We did check all the functions on here. Everything appears to operate very nicely. It's got one little marking right here. This must have hit in transit. Anyway, the box that it came in was a little destroyed there, but the saw itself is in really good shape. It includes the dust bag and your instruction parts manual.